Hi, Alicia. Okay, the difference between walk past and walk by. I don't think there's a lot of difference. Let's see. Both of these mean you go near. By is stressing the idea that you are close to. And past gives the idea that you continue on your journey. You go further than it. So I walked past the post office. I walked by the post office. I think in those two cases they're exactly the same. Although I think past is saying further than, and by means near and continues further than. I was trying to think of some differences. I walked by the river. I walked near the river, along the river. I walked past the river. I think I'm coming in the other direction and I go over the river and continue. Okay, so that might be one difference between the two of them. But I think generally this is to go near and continue on your journey. Okay, now, chance, opportunity, and fortune. So, they're not exactly the same, but they're very close. Let's see, chance. This is to do with luck, good or bad. The force of nature, or the force that makes things happen, but without any reason or cause. So I met him by chance. Yeah. This was a chance encounter. You could have a game of chance. Yeah. A chance is talking about random. Yeah. Now I realize you're probably thinking about a chance. There is a chance. I have a chance to visit America. I have the opportunity to visit America. In this case, and this case, the two are the same. But chance, okay, an occasion that allows something to be done, and that's an opportunity. Give me a chance to explain. I will give you a second chance. If I had half a chance, if I had the slightest opportunity, okay, so in an opportunity is the same as chance, but chance is talking about good and bad luck, about probability and random events. Where an opportunity, this is real. It's a situation that makes it possible to do something you want to do. Now, an opportunity is always good, yeah? Is to do something that you want to do. There is the possibility of doing it, yeah? So notice, there's a chance I will have an opportunity. So there's a possibility I will have an opportunity. And this is the idea of an opportunity. The chance to get a job opportunities, the opportunities for young people. Okay, so an opportunity, an occasion or a situation that makes it possible for you to do something that you want to do. Now, fortune is much more similar to chance. Yeah, fortune are the set of good or bad events that happen to you and have effects on your life. So he had the good fortune to win the prize. I had the bad fortune to trip over a rock. Okay, so it's successes or failures of a company, the fortunes of war, yeah, the fortunes of these people, yeah, Okay, so fortune is very like chance. Yeah, I think fortune maybe gives more of the idea that um, the future is fixed. Yeah, whereas chance, I think we make our own chances. Well, we make our own fortunes as well. And then finally, this last question of yours, other than, rather than, instead of, and in lieu of. Okay, firstly, other than is different from the other three. Other than means with the exception of, except for, besides. So other than our one brother, he has no other close relatives. Yeah, with the exception of, besides, yeah, additionally. Um, you could try this solution, but other than that, besides that, except for that, I see no other possible solutions. Okay? In another and different way, other than, yeah, there is no way out other than that door. Yeah, it's the only one. Yeah, could you give me something other than that? I don't eat meat, so could you give me something other than the chicken? Okay, so other than is different to, with the exception of, in addition to. Okay, now the other three, rather than gives the idea that an alternative. Okay, so rather than, maybe you're suggesting an alternative. So rather than walk, we could take a taxi instead of, yeah, as an alternative to. Rather than stand outside, we could go and sit in the cafe. Yeah, instead of, and I think rather than and instead of are very, very, very similar. I think rather it has an overtone of better than that as well. I think instead you were swapping one thing for another. Instead of paying me, you can work for me. Whereas rather than, it has an idea of instead of, but also the suggestion is better. And then finally, in lieu of. Firstly, in lieu of is certainly a little bit more formal than all of the others. I think in lieu of, you're expecting one thing, and you are given something else as a substitute for that. So, in lieu of taking a day's holiday, I'm going to pay you extra. Okay? I didn't have a screwdriver, so in lieu of a screwdriver, I used a knife. In lieu of, lieu is a French word lieu, meaning place. So in the place of. Yeah, so I think in lieu of, you're swapping something that was expected for an alternative, yeah, which was probably not expected. In lieu of coming next week, why don't you come this week? I know we'd already organised for next week, but come this week. So in lieu of. So I hope those explanations have helped you, and bye for now.